Now we will see cookie stealing. It's the most dangerous attack for cross-site scripting. See, if you will logged in any application, this will the web application may generate some cookie. So if you will do this on the vulnerable parameters script alert, they will give you the pop-up with cookie script tag close. So they will give you the pop-up with cookie. So let's browse this, let's copy this. Now let's fire on the search parameter, because search parameter is also vulnerable. See this? So now we'll see. But how to steal the cookie? The important question is how to steal the cookie. For this, see this. This is my website hackerserver.com. I have a log file analyzer cpanel.hackerserver.com. I will log in my applications. Okay, now see this now. So there is a PHP myadmin. I'm going there now. There is a hackerserver log file. See this. Visits log. See, this is my browser. Okay, the log file analyzer. See, if you will visit my websites in any page of my website, let's say you are visiting on workshop, see this. So I'll get to know who visited and which page they visited. See this now. See, okay man, I'm not getting. Let's training, classroom training, maybe contact us. Okay, so page equal to contact I visited. Let's check here. See, you visited classroom training, you visited page equal to contact. See this, and the IP address is this now. What if I will redirect to this website? Script document dot location dot hrefs equal to http. You can give this website page equal to contact. So what will happen? The page equal to contact, then a script tag close. Let's see this. So if you will copy this as a payload, and if you will fire this as a payload, see this now. On search bar, let's try this there now. So you are redirecting to where? Page equal to contact. See this now. You again redirected to page equal to contact. Let's see this. Page equal to contact. Now, what if I will redirect page equal to contact, but I will also send something there? What something there? Let's do something. Let's copy this as a payload. Copy. Now fire on the vulnerable parameters. So I am firing on these parameters, the search bar parameters. See this? They are redirecting to page equal to something. So if any user will visit on page equal to something, I will get to know. See, I got to know that they visited page equal to something. What if instead of something, I will give what? The cookie value, document dot cookie. See this? And let's use this now. So if you will do this now, then what will happen? Let's copy this. They will redirect to hackerserver.com with cookie value, and I have a sniffer. I will get to know that they visited this. After the page equal to, I will get a cookie. See this now. See, I got a cookie there. Yes, the cookie value is login equal to test by test. So what an attacker can do by this cookie, let's talk about that also. So we stole cookie, that is this. Now what an attacker can do by this cookie? Now let's think that you are a what? Let's log out first. Okay, from this website, just log out. So I'm logging out. See, now you think that you are a hacker now. Okay, So you can import cookie. You just have to import cookie. Either you can import through Bobsuit or you can import through the edit my cookie app. Okay, add-on. Okay, you can also edit my cookie add-on. See this? Edit my cookie add-on. You can add on Firefox, or you can also use cookie injector. Okay, so if I'll use cookie injector, the Firefox. Okay, cookie manager, not a cookie injector. You can use cookie manager. This is a very good to tamper the cookie and to change the cookie. See this now. So I install cookie manager. I'll restart now. I already captured the test PHP cookie, so I'll use test php.vulnwev.com. Yes, so I am not logged in now. I'll edit cookie now. So tool, there's a cookie manager, cookie search for cookie, this, but there is no cookie in this new cookie. The cookie name is what, login. The data is test by test. The domain was test.php.vulnwev.com. The path you can give backslash whatever. Save file. Let's click on extrude. See, you are logged in now. So you imported your cookie there. So that's called cookie installing and importing into your browser. I hope it's clear to you.